Okay, so what kind of situation do we have on NAS 100? Starting down on the monthly, what we can see is the market has been in an uptrend and currently broke above this previous resistance here and now turn support. Now, if you have an impulse in the market, so an impulse to the upside in this case, what you have to do is take a Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse, taken on the impulse. And if you do that, what you can see is how the market is currently trading in between the 38.2 and the 50% ratio taken on the on the monthly impulse. Now we can see how that structure basically, let me bring back the Fibonacci. We can see how the previous resistance here is now turned support and currently testing the Fibonacci levels, the 58 Fibonacci, and we can expect some continuation to the upside. So on the monthly we are bullish, going down on the weekly, what we can see. Now on the weekly time frame, what we can see is the market has made a nice M formation. Now in general, if you have an M formation, sorry, so if you have an M formation, you want to see the market make a move to the upside and complete the M formation on the neckline. So remember how the market is currently testing the previous resistance, 10 support on the monthly, and testing that same structure with a nice M formation. So inside of this area, we do want to see the market make a move to the upside and complete the neckline of the M pattern. Going down on the daily, what we can see. Now, on the daily time frame, what we can see is that we have a complete different scenario. The market is in a downtrend, continuously making lower lows. And as long as the market will remain in a downtrend like this, so basically below this structure, we can't be looking for entry because the market can simply still reject this structure and trade lower. And that's not what you want to see. As long as the market will remain in a bearish kind of state, we can't be interested. We can only be interested in the market if we see a move to the upside. So a break of structure to the upside, followed by a short-term retracement. Why am I saying this? It's because if in the market you have an impulse, a correction, a lower low and equal high, what you want to see is a short-term retracement and a continuation higher. Because that's when the market would have given you a nice inverse head and shoulders. And as we all know, this is a very famous pattern and it works. So if we see the market giving us a move to the upside and a short-term retracement, this is exactly where we can be monitoring price action, waiting for the market to shift from a bearish environment to a bullish environment. And if it does that and gives us one of our favorite entries, we can be capitalizing on a move to the upside and for the market to complete the M pattern, weekly M pattern, and reject monthly structure. Now, if you enjoyed this free education analysis, please hit a comment and like. It really does support me and gets me pushing to making more videos for all of you. So thank you. See you on the next analysis.